Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Seaside Motel. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking, free Wi-Fi, family rooms and a non-smoking rooms. This motel in Redondo Beach, California is within a 10-minute drive of Manhattan Beach and Hermosa Beach. The motel offers free Wi-Fi, on-site laundry facilities and rooms with a microwave. All rooms at the Seaside Motel are also equipped with a refrigerator. Cable TV with HBO and a clock radio are provided in each room. The Los Angeles International Airport is a 10-minute drive from the Motel Seaside. Redondo Beach Pier and the Pier Shopping Center are a 5-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.